In today's video, I will show you how to recover a deleted Instagram account. So first and foremost, open up your Chrome browser. So once you open up your Chrome browser, come to the search bar and then search for help.instagram.com. Once you finish searching for that, it will open up this page and then tap on these three horizontal lines. Once you tap on them, tap on manage your account and then tap on signing up and getting started. So once you tap on that, you have to scroll down and then over here you see, was this helpful? So tap on no. So you have to give a reason why it wasn't helpful. So tap on other reason and then down here type the following: recover my deleted account. And then below over here, put your username, your Instagram username. Okay. All right. So once you put that, just tap on submit. So once you do that, your Instagram account that was deleted will be recovered and you'll enjoy using Instagram once again. So thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next video once again.